With spring in full swing, it's the perfect time to add a pop of color to your home decor. Whether you like soft pastels or bright and bold colors, there are many ways to use this season's most popular colors in your home. Inspired by Sarah Duck, we put together this video to share the 5 spring colors that will transform your home into a welcoming sanctuary. So let's jump right into it, starting with the color pink. Blush pink is a soft, delicate color that can add a touch of sophistication and warmth to any room. In this example, we've used pillows, artwork, and bedside accessories with blush colors to decorate this bedroom. Mixing different shades of pink gives the room depth and interest without being too much. It goes wonderfully with the plain wall color, resulting in a cozy atmosphere. Speaking of cozy, we've got some great throw pillow options that can serve as statement pieces in your room. Adding a pop of blush pink can elevate your space and create a cohesive look throughout your home. Another spring favorite is the color yellow. Yellow is associated with vitality, strength, and fresh beginnings. In this example, a golden yellow velvet sofa serves as the room's center point and injects a lively spirit into the setting. We just love the orangey reds, pinks, and salmon hues used in this example because it pairs well in making a well-planned color scheme and making the space feel cohesive. Also, take a look at these sofa samples that come in an uplifting shade of yellow. Overall, yellow is such a versatile and cheery color that has the ability to make a room feel warm and inviting. Next, as cliche as this sounds, consider decorating with white. White is a timeless color that never goes out of style and can make any room look clean and elegant. Plus, it's super easy to update with new home decor and accent colors. White's reflecting properties is also an effective and simple way to make a space feel more airy and comfortable. And to make it more fun, combine white with vibrant pieces to add a pop of color in the space. As a tip, check out some of these dining chairs that would pair well in your white-inspired dining room. Give it a try and see how it transforms your space. Up next is the color green. Green, a color often linked to freshness and vitality, remains a favorite in people's hearts this year. Green-themed interiors, especially moss and olive greens, can create a strong and calming atmosphere, giving the space a tranquil feeling. And in case you're looking for some inspiration for your own bathroom vanity, I've also compiled a few ideas that draw on this color. But if that's not your cup of tea, or shall I say green tea, green can also play a supporting role, stepping aside to let more attention be drawn to other elements in your room. Last but not least, let's talk about using light blue paint colors in your space. A good piece of advice is to use pastel blues that lean toward a gray or taupe undertone. This will make the color look more refined and subtle, taking an edge off of its youthful appeal. By choosing a richer base, you can also give lighter shades of blue a more polished look. Here's some paint choices to consider when selecting your preferred shade of blue to incorporate into your space. Anyway, that concludes today's video. We hope you found these 5 spring colors to brighten up your home decor inspiring and informative. Let us know in the comments below which color you plan on incorporating into your home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel here at NextHome for more home decor and real estate related topics. Thanks for watching and see you next time.